Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is the question number 7. Today we do construct an XYZ triangle such that XY is equal to 10.2 centimeter, Y angle is equal to 60, X angle is equal to 45. Measure and write down the length of XZ. Here we imaginary draw it. XY is a baseline, whereas x is the point where is the angle 45 and y is the point where is the angle 60. Okay, enlarge these lines and join them. Here is the point somewhere z, x and z. Measure and write down the length of xz. We have to measure the length of xz, which is unknown. Okay, now we draw an xy baseline 10.2 centimeter. Here we draw it, put here the scale and draw it. Here is the point 10.2 centimeter, and then we have to measure the 45 angle at point X. Now we put the protractor here with suitable measurement. Okay, then from here is the pencil line direction, and here we start to count the 0, 10, 20, 40, 30, 40. Here is the 40 and here is the point 45. Now we join them. This is the line 45. Okay, now at the point Y we have to draw the angle 60. Now we put here very carefully. The pencil line and the upper line of the protractor is definitely up to each other. Here is the point, pencil direction is here, and here we count the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here is 60. Very easy. Here is 60. We draw it. Okay, and now we enlarge them to join these two lines to each other. We have to join them. Okay, here we join them. Here is the point Z. Okay, now we measure it from compass. Here is the compass, and here we have to measure X and Z. Here is X and here is Z. Okay, here is the point X and Z. Now we measure it and then we compare it from the scale. Okay, here is point and here is here is 9.1. okay, here is 9.1. okay, now we put the answer here, 9.1 centimeter. Now we write it here. Okay, length of x z is equal to 9.1 centimeter. Okay, here is the question number 8. Construct ABC such a triangle such that AB is equal to 9.8 centimeter, BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 88. Firstly, we imaginary draw it. Here is the baseline of AB, 9.8 centimeter. Okay, then we construct an angle firstly from B point. Here is the 88 degree, which is near to 90, and it is about to right angle. Okay, 88. Here is somewhere the point C, and now we join them, A and C. Okay, then BC and BC's line segment has 6.5 centimeter. Okay, measure and write down the length of AC. Here AC's measurement we have to find. Okay, firstly we draw a triangle. Now we draw a line segment of 9.8 centimeter. It is 9, and here before the 2 points of 10, here is the 9.8. A, B. 9.8 centimeter, and here we draw the 88 measurement angle at the point B. Here we set the protractor and then count from the pencils line 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85 and 86, 87 and 88. Here is the point 88. Okay, now we join them. Here is the point 88 degree angle. Okay, now here is the point C and join them. 6.5 centimeter line, firstly we measure it from the scale. 6.5 centimeter line. Here is the point 0 and here is the point 6.4, 6.5. Firstly we checked it has the 0 point and it has the 6.5. now we draw an arc and here is the line, we have to enlarge them. Now this is our point C. Now we join this point to the A. This is the point A. Okay, here is the point, we join them, and now we have to find the AC measurement. We open the compass according to this line and measure it. Here is the point where we measure it. Okay, then measure it from on the scale. Here is the 0 point and here is the 11.6, 11.5 and then 11.61, 11.6 centimeter. Here is the 6.5 centimeter. Now we have to solve the part 2. Construct perpendicular bisector of AB such that it is cuts AC. Okay, here is AC and a perpendicular bisector of AB. Here is AB, which is the perpendicular bisector. First, imaginary, if we draw, here is AB line and here we draw perpendicular bisector, and this line of AC which cuts the perpendicular bisector at the point S. Okay, here is the point S, AC line which cuts the perpendicular bisector. Okay, measure and write down the length of BS. Here is S and here is B. We join them like this. Okay, B S such that S is the point where the perpendicular bisector of AB. Here is the perpendicular bisector of AB. This is line the perpendicular bisector of AB, and it cuts the AC line. Okay, it gets the AC line, okay, from the AB perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is the point S. Then we draw it. Firstly we know that how the perpendicular bisector is made. Okay, firstly we open the protractor greater half of the AB line segment. Okay, then we draw an arc at the upper part and draw an arc at the upper part of B and upper part of A point. Okay, now we join them. Lower part also we draw at the lower part and join them. Okay, now this is the line we draw. Okay, and then we erase this arcs. Okay, here is the point where the AC line bisects the perpendicular bisector. Here is the point S. Okay, now we join the S point to the B point, B and S. Okay, here is the point where the line segment of BS. Now we measure it. We have to measure this line segment. here is the line segment we measured. 5.9. Here is the point 5.9 centimeter. 5.9 centimeter line of BS measurement. Now we erase the line lower part which is not compulsory. Okay, here is the upper arc which is not compulsory. We have only want the line which is perpendicular bisector. Okay, now we write here the answers. 11.6 which is AC line segment and BS line segment has 5.9 centimeter. Okay, thank you.